Hello. Last episode, I made a sculpture. Today, I am molding the horn. First, I need a crystal clear. Then, put the registration mark for the keys. Normally, I put 3 keys, but this mold doesn't have enough space, so I did 2 keys. Then I'm using the lacquer thinner to clean the outside of the sculpting edge. This will take off the crystal clear. Then I'm using the pasta maker, put the clean clay in it so it has even thickness. Then I cut the clean clay into 45 degrees and 1/8 of an inch from the sculpture. I put this clean clay all over. This will create a gap between the positive mold and negative mold. I keep the key area open, then other area I place it. It is called casing the mold. After it's done, I use a sculpting tool to clean the area for the keys, and I'm putting the contact. That's where the negative mold and positive mold touch each other. Then I'm going back to the edge and make sure it has 45 degrees angle. Then I make a snake made out of the clean clay. Gently place it on the edge area and also on the keys and contacts. Then I use the WED Clay. I use a clay cutter to make the even thickness. Then I put this one on the side. And fill the gap in between the positive mold and this WED clay. It goes all around. Then use a crystal clear everywhere. Then let it dry. After that, I spray dulling spray. Again, spray everywhere. Then when it's dry, take out all the clean clay from the keys and edges. Then use a lacquer thinner to clean the keys and contact just in case. Then I use sonite wax. That's a release for keys and contacts. Some people use Vaseline, but Vaseline has a little bit thicker layer, so I like to use sonite wax. Then I mix water and Ultracal 30, and when you see the dried lake texture, mix it. Then thin layer of the Ultracal 30 everywhere. I use my mouth to blow the air so it goes to the details. cover everywhere, not too thick. After 15 to 20 minutes, when it gets harder, this is the second layer. The purpose I do in several layers and make sure each layer dries enough is the texture on the surface is very important, and if you try to do in one time, it might destroy the texture, or even the burlap will touch to the texture and it might show the burlap. That's why I do first layer, second layer without the burlap. Now I'm dipping the burlap into the Ultracal 30. That's a third layer. Then make sure bubble is gone in between. And the outside I make snake shape to beef it up. I keep adding everywhere. The second layer will be double the layer. So in total I did 5 layers of burlap. Then the leftover I add more Ultracal 30 powder to make it thicker. With this thick layer, I use the metal tool to make it smooth. Then I put the wooden board to make it the top is flat. When it started to get dried, make sure there's no sharp edge and put the plastic back over. This will make the Ultracal 30 harder. After 2 hours, take the WED clay off. Then I put 2x4 pieces, make a bridge. Then clamp tool, I use it, twist it, and it will pop up. Then slowly open. That's a negative mode. And I take off the clean clay. I use the wooden tool. Please do not use the metal tool. Then keep the clay so that I can weigh out for the silicone later. I use alcohol to wipe it off. Then SC Johnson paste wax. This will fill the micro bubbles. I do 2 layers and buff it when it's dry. After 2 layers is done, I put it back. That's it for more making. Next episode will be pouring the silicone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.